Hi guys. Alright, so today I'm going to be in the workshop trying to cut something. Garage stroke workshop. So today what I need to do is I need to cut this board right along that line over there. And I've already done one over here, but I've just been inside to try to fit it. There's like a 5mm short, so I'll try and just cut my blade a little bit outside of this pencil line over there. Yeah, so what we're going to do first is we're going to fasten this this board to the bench. Find some place for the goggles. All right, we're going to use our faithful small little clumps. I think some dentists use it to put this over here. I'm just kidding, don't try that at home. Okay, so we're gonna fasten that board over there. I'm going that's not enough because it can still be moving a bit like that, so we need to fasten it as well on the other side. Like so, and that way the board is steady. Okay, and the next thing is very important: safety. Even if you got your spectacles on, it just helps to put your safety goggles on, just to avoid whatever debris that might be coming out of the cutting pieces. Yeah, so you can do this when you're cutting your boards, when you're riding a motorcycle, or flying one of those old airplanes without a windshield or something. Okay, and this is our faithful Makita jigsaw that we're going to be using. I couldn't find a fine blade for it, but I'm just going to have to make do with it. I'm not going to be setting this anyway, so. Okay. You can cover your ears too if you want to. So we're going to. And you can notice that, but if I press too hard, the little board kind of tips on one side. So what I'm going to do is just step on the one side, just to keep it stable. So what I'm going to do is, because I'm going to do another like 5mm over there, I'll try and just cut a little bit over. Or just to make things a little easier, I'm just going to grab a pencil and just draw another line there that's about a 5mm or something across. This is your faithful workshop stroke garage rule. If you don't have one, you don't have to rush to the shop, especially now when there's a lockdown. So make do with what you've got. Okay, just gonna draw a line like that, mark it there, and that'll be our new cutting place. Feeling a sneeze coming on. Elbow ready? Okay. Put that on the side. Clamp this board because we're going to need to change position. Oops. Right. Okay, we're going to do this one. Yeah, that way. This one. Put it away. Taking that out of there actually. Just to make things easier, clamp it right back. So the clamp almost injured my toe. Okay, so we're just going to take this piece completely off so we can easily start from the angle over there. We have it. Bob's your uncle. I don't know what to say, Bob, what I can say. Martin is your uncle, or Belshazzar is your uncle, or Jane is your auntie, or something. Mike is your niece, or something. Luke is your nephew. I wonder who came up with that phrase. Okay, perfect. Gonna clamp it this way now. It's nice and sturdy. Funny movements. And we'll start with the cutting the piece off. Okay. There we go, and Jane's your niece. It's done. Thank you. Obviously, if you're going to do this at home, just make sure you wear safety boots too. And yeah, safety is of prime importance. And COVID-19 mask if you can too. Thank you very much for watching. And yeah, see you in the next video.